RangeView is a cutting-edge digital platform designed to empower customers in making informed decisions regarding their rangeland and operations. To get started, visit rangeview.nview.us and create an account in the bottom right corner of the page. Click the Create Account button. Fill out the required information, ensuring you provide your mailing address. Review the terms of service and accept the terms and conditions. Enter the physical address of your ranch. Upon confirmation of the location, input the ranch name to proceed. RangeView can analyze any created areas of interest. You can manually draw your pasture or upload shapefiles, .kmz or .kml files. Please allow up to 5 minutes for processing when uploading pasture boundary files. After verifying your pasture boundaries, click the Analyze button to proceed. RangeView can analyze your land for multiple species, including cheatgrass, ventonata, medusa head, mesquite, huisach, and leafy spurge. Select the desired vegetation types for analysis and designate the areas for analysis. After reviewing your total cost, you can add the service to your cart for purchase. Access your cart by clicking the Cart button in the bottom right corner. To complete your purchase, proceed to checkout on our Shopify page. Upon successful purchase, expect to receive your analysis results within 5 to 10 business days, accessible for review on the RangeView platform. RangeView presents clear and comprehensive results accompanied by various tools for review. For example, you can adjust transparency and compare results with satellite imagery to identify treatment areas effectively. Start the treatment planning process by clicking the Treatment button, followed by selecting your target species. Review the data provided and begin to select the area to be treated. Create a perimeter by selecting the Add button on the bottom of the screen. As you draw the treatment area, the acreage will update accordingly, allowing you to determine an area that fits your restoration plan. Once you have confirmed the area to be treated, make sure to save your treatment by clicking the Save button. After saving your treatment area, a treatment file will be available to download and send directly to your applicator. Post-treatment, input your as-applied information from your applicator into the platform for rebate and record-keeping purposes. Select the targeted species and upload your treatment as applied files. RangeView facilitates seamless record management. Enter invoice and treatment product details to ensure accurate and organized records. Your as-applied data will be visualized on the map, aiding in the planning of future treatments. RangeView provides centralized storage and easy access to your past treatment records for long-term tracking and review. Uploading treatment information unlocks analysis, cost rebates, and performance guarantees on select NView herbicides. RangeView provides a comprehensive solution for rangeland management, ensuring efficiency, effectiveness, and long-term sustainability. For more information, give us a call and speak to a RangeView Customer Success Manager. Email us at rangeview.support@nview.com or contact your NView rep.